Hi Mary Williams, welcome back to Mary Giri online class.
Dear children, last class we have learned the divisibility rules of 2, 5, 10, then 3, 9. Then today we can study the divisibility rules of 4 and 6. Okay?
Divisibility by 4 and 6. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the digits at tens and ones place is divisible by 4. Means whatever the number you are getting, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, divisible means completely if you can divide by 4, the whole number is divisible by 4. With an example I will show 5124. Now you look here 24. 24 is there in the multiples of 4. 24 is we can divide completely by 4. Therefore 5124 is divisible by 4. Next 32,018. Now you look here. 18 is divisible by 4 or not? It is not divisible. In the multiplication table of 4, 18 is not there. Therefore 32,018 is not divisible by 4. Okay. Next question. 72,564. Now you look here 64. You don't know in the multiplication table 64 is not there, so that just we can divide 64 by 4. 4 in 6 1 time. 1 4 is 4, subtract. Next 2 bring down 4. 24 divides 4 is 6 times. 24. Here the remainder is 0. If the remainder 0, it is completely divisible. Okay. Therefore, the number is, the whole number, the complete number is divisible by 4. Only one condition, if you can divide it completely by 4, the number which is given, that is divisible by 4. Next, a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and if it is divisible by 3 also, the number is divisible by 6. Sometimes the number is divisible by 2 and if it is not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 6. It is compulsory that it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. With an example I will show 4250. It is an even number, so that it is divisible by 2. How could you understand? Because since ones place 0 comes, already I told. It is, if ones place is an even number, it is divisible by 2. Next, we can add. If it is multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is not there in the multiple of 3. It is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible. Okay. Next one, 1896. It is an even number, so that it is divisible by 2. Now we can find its sum, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. First 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 3 because in the multiplication table of 3, 24 is there. It is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3 also. Therefore, the number is divisible by 6. Did you understand now? Okay. Next, 4203. Just a look, we can say this is an odd number, so that it is not divisible by 2. Thereafter, you need not check it whether it is divisible by 3 or not, because if it is divisible or not divisible, it is not divisible by 2. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. How can we check whether a number is divisible by 6 or not? First, you have to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. After that, if it is divisible by 3 also, the number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only the number is divisible by 6. Okay, I think all of you could understand this. Dear children, now we can do the divisibility test of 3, 9, 4 and 6. Okay, we can do some questions. First one, you have to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. First question, 387. What to do? First, we should add the digits. If the sum of the digit is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now we can add the digits. 3 plus 8 plus 7. What is 3 plus 8? 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 is multiple of 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 387 is divisible by 3. Means without dividing, we can understand, we can divide 387 by 3 completely, means the remainder is 0. Okay, now another question to you, 4025. 4025. We can check it. First, what to do? We should add the digits 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. What is 4 plus 0? 4 itself. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Is it divisible by 3? No. 11 is not divisible by 3. 3. Therefore, 4025 is not divisible by 3. Did you get the idea now? Okay. Now we can check a number which is divisible by 9 or not. Same method you have to follow here. It is divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. First question is 8037. We can check it whether it is divisible by 9 or not. What to do? Same method. First we should add the digits. If the sum of the digit is multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 9. We can add it here. 8 plus 0 plus 3 plus 7. 8 plus 3 is, what is 8 plus 3? 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 is in the multiple of 9, therefore it is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Therefore, 8037 is divisible by 9. Second question, 90,541. Now you look here. First we can add the digits. That is 9 plus 0 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Here the sum is 19. Is it divisible by 9? No, it is not there in the multiples of 9. Therefore, it is not divisible by 9. It is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 90,541 is not divisible by 9. Okay, these are the steps you have to follow when you are getting a question to whether a number is divisible by 3 or 9. Both these methods you have to, first you should find the sum of the digits. If it is multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digit is multiple of 9, the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, now we can check how to find a number which is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, dear children, now we can check whether these numbers are divisible by 4 or not. How to check it? Yes. First itself, we should consider the last two digits, means the digits in ones and tens place. And if the number formed by these two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. The last two digits, first question, 72,048. The last two digits, that is the number is 48. Divide 48 by 4. What to do? Divide the last two digits. If until 40 you know which are the multiples of 4, that time you need not divide. Other numbers more than 40 you can divide. Okay, first 4 and 4, one time 1 4 is 4. So when you subtract you will get 0. Then bring down 8. 8 divides 4 is 2 times. 2 4s are 8. Now it is completely divided. Completely divided means if the remainder is 0, then only it is completely divided. Therefore, we can say 48 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 72,048 is divisible by 4. Okay, next question 514. First, the last two digits we have to consider. Is it divisible by 4? No. The multiplication table of 4, 14 is not there. So that first, without dividing itself, we can say 14 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 514 is not divisible by 4. Okay, next 3296. 96 is not there in the multiplication table of 4, so that just we can divide 96. We can divide 96 by 4. 4 and 9, 2 times 2 4s are 8. Subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. Then bring down 6. What is 16? Divides 4, that is 4. 4 4s are 16. When you subtract, the remainder is 0. Remainder 0 means 96 is divisible by 4. If 96 is divisible by 4, then 3296 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now we can write 96 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 3296 is divisible by 4. Okay. Dear children, to check a number which is divisible by 6 or not, what to do? First itself, we should check it whether it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, means if the number is divisible by 2 and if it is divisible by 3 also, then the number is divisible by 6. Means we can divide the number by 6 completely. With an example, I will show this. Okay, we can check it whether it is divisible by 6 or not. What to do? First, we can check it whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. What to do? First, we have to check it, is it divisible by 2 or not. Check its digit in one space, or the last digit is even number, so that it is divisible by 2. Last digit is 4. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Next, we can find the sum of the digits to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. We can find the sum 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes. In the multiplication table of 3, 12 is there. Therefore, 12 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 3. Now you look here, it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3 also. If it is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is divisible by 6. Therefore, we can say, therefore, 3414 is divisible by 6. The number is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3 also. That is why the number is divisible by 6. Now we can check it here. Here the last digit is 2. It is divisible by 2. Last digit is 2. It is divisible by 2. Now we can check it whether it is divisible by 3 or not. What to do? We should find the sum of the digits. Okay, that is 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, 9 itself. 9 plus 2, 11. Is it divisible by 3? No. In the multiplication table of 3, 11 is not there. 11 is not divisible. by 3. It is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, is it divisible by 6? No, it is not divisible by 6. Therefore, 1802 is not divisible by 6. Okay, now the third question, 3925. Just a look, we can say whether it is divisible by 6 or not. How? Because a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now, here the number is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. Odd numbers are not divisible by any of the even number. So that you need not check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. It is not divisible by 2. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 6 also. Okay. 5 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, 3925 is not divisible by 6. Okay. All the divisibility tests you have to study very well and practice this type questions. Okay. Thank you.